What is it that gets you to move? What is the thing that gets you to success? What is it that sparks a drive in you to want to accomplish something? No matter who you are, no matter what age you are, in you lies a light waiting to be sparked to do something good, something well done, for no recognition at all but for yourself. Would it help to know what that is? The answer is gravity. Gravity is intertwined inside of you, a measure in every cell. I know it sounds like hocus pocus, alakazam, wishy-washy stuff, but we've built civilizations on ideas that never really even existed, nor had the science to back it up. So let me give you this little secret. The way you succeed is to find something that you love and have the courage to do. Because when you do that, it changes the way you feel inside. And that feeling will cause you to move with all your energy to accomplish that thing. The gravity in you creates the drive. It forces you to move in a direction. But your mindset has to be on a frequency that's going to change the way your body feels about what you want to do. Once that thing happens, you're on your road to success if you stay focused. You have to either love what you do or learn to love what you do. Statistically speaking, 90% of the people that do what they do don't love what they do. They're living in a paradox because a fragment of their life brings a morsel of happiness. And it's not that they can't love what they do. It's just that they don't know how to love because they spend so little time loving. Now, I use the word love to express a feeling most people think they understand. But in reality, love is obsession for something good and wholesome. When it comes to love, what do you want to feel? Do you want to feel accepted? Warm and fuzzy inside? That intense got-to-have-it feeling that won't go away? Maybe it's that thing that gives you a sense of peace and joy. Isn't the feeling of success the same? Success and love are synonymous with one another. They coexist. Can you succeed without feeling love? Of course you can. But how is it going to make you feel once you are successful? People can fail after obtaining success because they never thought to realize how they should feel after becoming successful. And that confusion can send you into emotional turmoil. And along with that is the stress of staying successful. If you do something and love it, when you succeed, you will feel joy without the anxiety. And that's the power of love. All the success, none of the anxiety. So in order to hack your success, I'm going to give you 7 steps to follow in this order so that you can move in the right directions to obtain loving things. Number 1,